I go west and that bitch shoot right in your face. No one can stop me, I feel like the greatest. Bro said be humble, I patiently waited. Order this life and I ain't even made it. I got a plan for them niggas that hate it. When I'm some bitch for my bros who don't make it. They want me gone, I can't walk around naked. Even my brother got caught in the edges. No one can stop me, I feel like the greatest. Feel like the greatest, I think I'm the goal. Please don't get naked, I just want to throw. Got on my Birkin, I feel like it's man. I still be listening to Prime TJ, you know, slowed. You gotta listen to it slowed, you feel me? Same music from when I first started this channel, man. Anyways, y'all, welcome to another episode of LeeArthur's hair journey. And in today's episode, you feel me? I'm going to attempt to rock my first ever twist out since I cut my hair. I've done previous twist outs before, but none of them have looked good. I'll throw a picture up on the screen. None of them really look good for real. So this is gonna be like my first time I get a proper nice twist out, hopefully. But you feel me? I know it'll be good. My hair. Look at the last time I did twist, and now look at this, bro. This is what's today's date? September 5th. I cut it like September 19th, but then I cut it down again in October. So it is about to be 11 months. So 10.5 months since I cut it all the way down, and I grew it back this much. Feel me? Products will be on the screen or down in the description. Very first thing we do before we take my twist down is oil my scalp. So I'm also recording for TikTok, so you feel me? Partying wasn't that good, I'm not gonna lie. But you feel me, I don't really care like that. I just don't like having to do my hair every day, you feel me? I'm about to get it retwisted. Loki turned into a dreadhead now. Just doing twist every week. Just getting it retwisted every week. I don't want to go in between every single line, so what I normally do is alright, now to finally, what everyone been waiting for. Oh my god, bro. I don't care how uneven or how bad it looks. I look good with this. Like, I could dead ass. If you I don't care. If you a female, feel me, comment. Am I cute enough to be your boyfriend? I just look so good sometimes. So anyways, let me stop being light skinned. Alright, the twists are mini, so the twist out also will probably be mini. Let's see how it looks. Yo, Lord, please don't let it be an ugly twist out. I want it to be looking. I want it to look good. Depending on how the first one looks, kind of determines. Oh, that does not look bad. The first one. Let me show y'all too. That does not look bad. Okay. So what we gonna do? We gonna do the whole head. So I'm gonna come back. One side done, another whole side to go. Sip what? Get in my mood. Members be deep in the store. Push up. Gotta get a clip for TikTok too, you feel me? I'm now both a YouTuber and a TikToker. But how does it look so far, yo? I think it looks nice. I think once I get the full look and I think a little bit more volume in the front, and I'll be good. Could rock it for about 2-3 days, hopefully. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I like it. We're gonna get a clip for TikTok too. Oh! Y'all, you know, oh, W twist out. See, I had a feeling it would be good. I wasn't too sure, you feel me? Because sometimes I'll do them and it won't turn out as good as I thought it would. But let me give you all 360, hold on. I hope there's not any leftover pieces. Let me feel around. Now, from what I'm feeling, it doesn't seem like there's any leftover pieces that I missed. But yes, bro. W twist out. It doesn't always turn out right, but bro, this is the best twist out I've had since like January 2023. I had a nice ass twist out. January. Oh, but yeah, this is nice. I fuck with it. Now, to take care of it, we gonna do one thing. And one thing only. Hold on. Or two things. What I'm thinking, it really depends, but what I might do is just either put on a bonnet or tie it up and put on a bonnet. And because it's so loose, I can literally just grab it like that and easily tie it up. It's not hard to tie at all. Y'all should know how to do that. Or I might just put on the bonnet like this and just thug it out just like that. But yeah, bro, I don't know what else to do. That's really the vid. This might be the end of the vid. If it's not, then we gonna see the next clip. But if it is, thank y'all so much for watching the video. Road to 40K, we're at 36 now, 4,000 subs away from 40K. Let's get there. Like, comment, subscribe. God bless, and have a good day.
Looking up to God, I just pray to him. But damn it, fly shit ain't working out. Should I pray again? I don't know why you take my friend. I've been on this walk alone, why can't you take my hand? I'm used to being slept on, they won't take a chance.